how to construct a parallel line to a given line to a given point not on the given line. Okay. Now regarding that, today we are doing the exercise, that is exercise 10.1. First problem, first construction, you take the problem. Down we are going to construct it. Along with me only you go on constructing. Then after the construction you have to write the steps of construction in 7 steps as they have given in the textbook, you see. According to that you have to write the steps of construction. I am here explaining how to construct. First one, draw a line, say AB. First one, draw a line, say AB. Say first, as you read the question now, better on rough construction you draw it. Draw a line AB. This is rough. Then according to the measurement we will do down. Draw a line, say AB. Take a point C outside it. Here this is AB a line. This is C outside the line. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. Through this we have to draw the line, parallel line. But like this we should not draw. What we have to do? We have to choose a point here on AB, that is D. Join this CD. With convenient radius, draw an arc here such that it has to cut the line AB at E and F. With the same radius we have to draw another arc here. It has to cut the given line CD at point G. Now measure the arc EF. G as the center, you cut this. Exactly, it will come like that only. This is what the rough diagram, rough construction. Now we will do according to the measurements we will do. What is that? Line segment AB. See, just observe properly. Line segment AB, or better we can take this. So, convenient measurement we can take, not exactly. For example, 6 cm, 8 cm you can take. So, this is the line segment AB. Okay. Now, take a point C. Okay, C. I am taking the point C here on the line AB, not on the line AB, outside AB. Now, I am choosing one point here D. So, what is the next step? I have to just join this CD. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Take the compass with convenient radius D as the center. Draw an arc. Convenient radius I say, not 3 cm to not like that. Convenient radius. Draw an arc. Okay, I have drawn. That arc has to be, this arc has to be cut. AB at point E and CD at point F. Okay, with the same radius. I never disturbed this. With the same radius, C as the center, just draw an arc such that it has to cut CD at point CD. It has to cut CD at point G. E, F, this is G. Okay. Then, now you measure the arc EF. E, just keep this point on the E, then measure this EF. See, this is EF like this. Okay. The same, with this same radius, G as the center, you just cut this arc. Cut this arc. Yes, cut this arc like this. Now, this arc is cut at the point E, F, G, H. At point H. Now, we will join H, C and extend. See here, H and C are in the same line and we will extend. So, we will extend that line. Yes, this line is nothing but, if this is AB means we call it as XY. Now, AB and XY are parallel lines at the point, given point C. So you have to write the steps of construction here. Step 1, what we have done. Step 2, what we have done. Step 3, what we have done. This work is for you. Okay. Now I will go for the second construction. You take the question. What is that? First I draw the rough diagram for that. Rough construction. Then see. Now same like this. Okay. The same way we will do the second one also. What is the second one? We will see. Draw a line L. Okay. Draw a line L. This is line segment. Okay. L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. At any point, here one perpendicular we have to draw. We know how to draw the perpendicular on the given line. In the 6th standard you have learned it. How? With one semicircle. Okay. And then here we have to make 3 cuts, 3 parts. Okay. And then here and here we have to cut it. And this is what? Perpendicular. This is perpendicular to the given line L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X. Here we have to choose the point X. Okay, one point we have chosen, that is X. That should be how? 4 cm away from L. Here you take the scale and make sure that this is 4 cm away from the L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. And see, now already this is joined only perpendicular. With a convenient radius, you just draw an arc here. With the same radius X as the center, you just draw an arc. Now you just measure this and keep here and cut it. And this point you join. Now this will be the given parallel. Okay. The same way now we will do. Here see. Draw a line L. Okay. I told you now already. Convenient measurement we have to take. Okay. This is the line segment A. Line segment L. Okay, sorry, they have given L. Okay. After that what? One perpendicular we have to draw. How to draw the perpendicular to it? Here see. Any point. Here we will take one point. This point. That point maybe we call it as A. Okay. How to draw the perpendicular to the L? Through the point A. A as the center. Just draw a semicircle with convenient radius. You know, last year you learned how to draw the perpendicular. With the same radius, now you cut this semicircle. How many parts? Semicircle will be having 3 equal parts. See, 3 equal parts. In this middle part is there, no? That you have to cut again. See, with the same radius without disturbing the radius. Okay. Yes, we have cut it. Now what we have to do? You just this point and this point A, join and extend this. Join and extend this. Okay. Okay. Now we have to choose a point X. Here we have to choose the point X on this perpendicular. That should be 4 cm away from this point. 4 cm. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 cm away. See here, this is 1, 2 and 3, 4. Here my X point. You also, according to your, this is the point X. Here, this is the point X. Here, through this point X, I have to draw the parallel line. Okay. What is the method for that to draw the parallel line? You know already. A as the center with convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. A as the center with convenient radius, I have drawn the arc. Now that arc is cutting the given line L at point B and at point C. I hope you are following. With the same radius, X as the center, you just draw an arc such that it has to cut the line segment XA. Okay. Where it has cut? It has cut at the point B. Okay. Now this BC, you just measure the arc BC. Okay. See, this is arc BC. D as the center, you just cut this arc, just now we have drawn that. That is cutting at the point E. Now you join E and this point X. See, and extend. That will be the parallel line to the given line. This is what? The parallel line to the given line. Okay, this point is E. Now what we have drawn the parallel line at the point X. See, this is what the construction. You have to write the steps of construction. Step 1, step 2. What we have done? The same thing you have to write. That is your work. Construction I am showing. You have to do the. You have to write the steps of construction. Now the same way. Here see, the third one I am doing. That is in the exercise 10.1. Third one. What is that? Let L be a line and P be a point not on it. As you know already, just one rough construction we do here. That is third one. Let L be a line. Okay, L be a line. This is L. And P be a point not on it. Okay, P is not on that. Here P is there. Okay. Then through P draw a line M parallel to L. Through this P, you know how to draw. Take one point here on the line here. We will join it, and this as the center. This maybe this will take it as a Q. This as the center. We draw a convenient arc here. With this same radius, we will draw this also here also, and we measure this arc and cut it here. This will be the parallel line to the line L, and that will be M. Okay. What it is? L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P and Q on L. Yes, P and Q, we joined it. Choose any other point R on M. Now we are choosing the point R here on M. This is line M. Okay. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Now we have to draw the line through the R parallel to PQ. This is important. How to draw? See, this is the point. This is PR here, joined here. With convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. With the same radius, here also you have to draw an arc like this. Okay. Then you measure this arc and this as the center, you cut it. Okay. These two are the now parallel. This point is yes. This is just a rough diagram I have drawn. Now with measurements we will do it. So first what we have to take? Take the line L. Okay. Line L. Convenient measurement I told already. This is the line L. Then what we have to do? P is a point outside the L. This is a P. Is the point outside the L. We have to draw a perpendicular to, we have to draw a parallel line through this point P to the line L. So for that what we have to do? We just take one point here. This is Q. Okay. We will join it. We will join it. Okay. Now what we have to do? See, take convenient radius Q as the center and convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. Then that arc has to cut this line at point. Here see, this as A and this as B. Now with the same radius P as the center, cut this line PQ. See, carefully you have to draw. Okay. Now this arc has to cut this line PQ at point C. Now measure the arc AB. A as the center. Just you measure the arc AB. That has to be same. Here you have to cut it. C as the center, you just cut this arc. I hope you are following. So this point is B. Now we have to join this point D and P and extend. We have to extend it. So this is what the parallel line, that is M. Parallel line, that line is M. This parallel line is M. So the L and M are parallel. Now they are saying on the line M we have to choose one point R. Okay, we are taking one point here R. Through this point we have to draw the parallel to PQ. Here we have to draw. Take a point R on the line M. Now this is given line, PQ is given line, R is point outside the line. Okay, now through this R we have to draw a parallel line through this PQ. Same again, take P as the center with convenient radius. Okay, it will be bigger or smaller you take, so that you can understand which. Okay, this is one convenient radius. I have drawn the arc. Now that arc has to cut this line PQ at E and F. Okay. Now R as the center. R as the center. R as the center. Draw with the same radius. Draw an arc. It has to see. Now it has to cut at M at the point A, B, C, D, E, F. This is G. Okay. Now you just measure the arc EF or EF. See, measure like this from G. You measure it. Okay, it is cutting here at the point H. Now you have to join this RH, and this is parallel and it is meeting the at point S. Now PQ and RS are parallel lines. This is what the third problem I have done here. So you have to write the steps of construction. Step 1, step 2, and we go on writing. It is compulsory writing the steps of construction. This is what the exercise 10.1. So please go through the construction, through the video once, twice, thrice, and make perfect. Construct this all in your fair note, in the geometry fair note. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.